In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix Fortnite error pack is invalid in just few easy steps. So let's start right in. From your desktop, click on search and type Epic Games Launcher and click on open. In Epic Games Launcher, from the left side, click on library. In library, click on three horizontal doors of Fortnite. Then click on manage. In installation box, click on file location icon. Here double click on Fortnite game folder. Then double click on content folder. Here double click on packs folder. This should order all the files from smaller to larger size. If it's not, then follow the next step. To arrange it in ascending order, from the top, click on Sort tab and hover over More. Click on Size. Again click on Sort tab and select Ascending by clicking on Ascending. Now you have to find file global.utoc. Scroll down and select global.utoc file and all files beneath it. Then from the top, click on Trash icon and then click on Yes. After this, close it and again from Epic Games Launcher, click on three horizontal doors of Fortnite. Click on Manage and then click on Verify. After this, wait for its processing. It will solve your problem. So that's how you can fix Fortnite error pack is invalid in just few easy steps.